Hello everyone. In this video, we can discuss why we use a index.html and why we use a app component or root component. In the previous video, we discussed on why we use a main.ts file. So it's the entry point of your Angular application. So today we only discuss index and root component. I make this video very short so everyone can easily understand. And so shall we start? So it's my Medium channel. Here I uploaded YouTube. Here I uploaded interview questions like .NET and Angular interview question. So here first we can discuss why we use main.ts file. So main.ts file is the application entry point. If you are delete the main.ts file, you are not able to run your application, and it helps to run our app component. You can see here we can pass the app component, that is the root component of Angular file. And the second one is uh, it's an example you can easily learn, the main switch that turns off your Angular app. So main.ts file kya hai? It's like a main switch of your home. uh, for example, for the electricity, it's a main switch for the electricity, and in which we can pass our component and bootstrap and start our component. Second one is the index.html. So it is the main HTML page, and it is the only real HTML in the Angular or the that component. So it contains the app root selector. I can show you here. So it is our index.html file. Here we can pass in the body app root. So what is the app root? It is the selector of our root component. So if you go here, app.component.ts file, if here you can see here is a selector where we can give the selector name app-root, and we can pass here. So index file loads our HTML and also loads our component. So this is the HTML file, and it's also load CS icons, font, like it's all these component like component HTML, component CS. So it helps to load all the data. So the container that you can think like this, like that index is the container that wraps your whole Angular app. So it is a sample example, you can easily read from here. And third one is the root component. It's a custom HTML tag defined by Angular for the root component, and it represent the top Angular component. It's the root and main component, and the main building blocks that hold your app's UI and route we can put here. And it is defined like this app.component.ts file. So then you can think like that, main.ts file to start the app, and the loads the app component, and the main switch is the index.html file, and outer shell app root placeholder, the body of your house. So and the you can easily understand, I hope. App root is the main component, and html.cs HTML file, it's loads our component, and main.ts file mainly start our Angular application. So here you can see here is the title student management. It comes from our this file index.html file. So I can add here uh, main Angular project and save. So you can see here it's changed our Angular. If I remove from here app.root component, I control K, I can comment this. See, I can comment and save, then you can see here all the data removed, because this data comes from app component.html file, and we can comment this selector. That's why data is not showing here. I hope you can easily understand how it's work. Like mainly we can discuss only very basic, like why we use the main.ts file, why we use the html. So main.ts file start our Angular application, and index.html file loads our component, and app.root component is the main and root component in the Angular application. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. In the next video we can create our custom components. And so thanks for watching. If this video will be helpful for you, please like, share and comment. Bye bye.